I think roundtable sessions are probably the best because they always can focus on the certain things that actually we can quickly identify same kind of challenge for bigger companies, small biotech company. Pretty much they share the same kind of pain, and then you can exchange how we do each, what kind of practice, what kind of idea we can potentially implement in the future.
So yeah, I was in the data transformation and how to use AI in bioinformatics. I think everyone is having the same issues right now related to data, but we get in. So wonderful to speak with people having the same issues.
I think it went very well. This meeting just composed into many different sessions, and it's not like the regular conference. You have more opportunity to talk with the individual person, right, in this same area. And this round-the-table conversation is very helpful. Right, we just can quickly to exchange our idea, and also for some controversial topic, we can just argue a little bit, but that's very beneficial for both of us.
That was also pretty good. We had a good meeting, small meeting again, so we could discuss a lot of different aspects of the topic that I was presenting, so it went well.
And what we really liked was the size. So it's more intimate than larger conferences, and so really enabled some one-on-one interactions, and I think some depth of networking. So larger conferences, you're always meeting people, and that's great. But here we actually could meet those people and then have the depth of conversation that followed. So I really enjoyed the sessions and the individuals that we met.
Nice. I think we need more on this, and I think more interactive with more longer time. Yeah.
So I think I talked with one of the CRO company, right? We can go a little bit deeper about what is the project we can work on together, right? To talk a little bit deeper on things, and we also can, express our expectation. When I need some help, need some consulting, what kind of the different aspect we evaluate, what kind of the different things we care about, and they also provide some response immediately, right? What they can customize according to our needs, or what is other resource we have. I think this will not be exposed if we are not if we do not have this opportunity to talk directly.
Yeah, I think the most interesting conversations always in the networking time. People have a casual conversation and complaining is their pain point, their challenges, and which I think you can share a lot of information by the networking time. Yes.
I think the networking was very good. As I said, the sessions I think were smaller in size, so it really enabled for interaction during the session, and then after the session there's a lot of exchange of LinkedIn and cards. So I think the networking was good. People were very friendly and open during lunch and the break. So I think that the networking was positive, and I found folks from the academic side, investors, and also from startup companies.
Nice. I think it's very nice. It's different from like other conference, right? Very large, very huge. But there we just have a kind of 20 or 30 people. Right? It's easily you meet everyone. I cannot meet everyone, but it's easily you can meet everyone to talk a little bit in depth. So that's what I appreciate.
Networking is the best part of it. Big conferences, you kind of get lost. There's so much activity, the exhibits, and so on. Here, it was very focused, basically one-on-one sessions.
Yeah.
I enjoyed also just bumping into people as we were crossing paths from one room to another. So networking was very good.
I think it's quite diverse. I think it's geographically diverse. I think it's diverse in terms of modality. So like I said, there's different types of different therapeutics. There's not so much med device, but I think like within the therapeutic space, there's a lot of diversity. There's diversity in the attendees from the concept of private equity, from VCs, from academic institutions. That is very interesting. So there's lots of opportunity here as well.
I think this year we have more diversity. But I think we had different levels of people, from people who were using the data, people who are thinking about the data strategy, and people who are working mostly on the drug and drug aspect. Yeah, so very nice.
So I'm very happy to see there is someone just very similar background with me, right, from the startup. But I also can see some people from the big pharma, right? They have the different perspective.
Yes.
And also some people from the academia, but they share very advanced progress in this area of studying, right? So we are kind of very diverse in this all kind of this different discussion. So I benefit from them. I don't expect it so diverse. I can learn so many, but to be honest, I think it's very good.
It was mostly high-level individuals, I would say. I didn't think of it, but now I'm looking back. Yeah, it was mostly high-level individuals in companies, except for big companies. The big companies was typically director level, so that was also impressive.
It's my third time, so I'm always coming back. So hopefully to be here next year.
I would come back again. Yes, as I said, I wish we had known about this conference earlier, but now that we were invited to participate, it's been a wonderful experience. We were able to lead a roundtable discussion this morning. We just finished a panel discussion this afternoon, and we would gladly come back.
Yes, if I don't have conflict internally, most like the week you design may be conflict with my internal meetings. So yeah, if I can, I will come.
Yes, I think next year I will consider about that, but I'm more concerned about how to bring my team, right? More people to expose to this opportunity. This is a very good opportunity to talk with the people who work in the same area, bioinformatics, because they touch the data science, AI, ML, right? In Vivo, in Vitro, some kind of the translational medicine, and also capture the VC consideration, right? It's very diverse, so I will consider about bring more people in my team, right, can benefit.
Absolutely. Yes, this was my first time, but it's a very good venue. Meet people, especially within the field, provided a lot of opportunities that could potentially to lead to good outcome.